Now let's convert a property line coordinates to distance and bearings. I have typed the coordinates in a spreadsheet and saved it as CSV file. Now let's access the file from an iOS device. Add a project by coordinates. We can add coordinates one by one or by importing a CSV file. Push the import button and replace the text with our CSV file. Remember to remove the extra lines at the bottom. Add the records and name the project, then save. Access the project's detail view, and here are the converted coordinates. Export a CSV file and save it to the cloud. Open the file on your computer and type the distance and bearings in Revit. Finally, we have our property line drawn. If we zoom in to the joint between the first and the last point, we might see a minor discrepancy, which mostly will be less than a millimeter. And that's due to the rounding process of Revit. Please let us know what you think of these tools. Thanks for watching. See you next time.